Are you ready to unlock the biggest secrets behind X Empire's upcoming TGE? Whether you're farming or not, this video will show you exactly how to maximize your $X token rewards and get ahead of the competition. From boosting your profit per hour to securing bonuses during the chill phase, I've got insider tricks you can't afford to miss. Stick around until the end, because I'm about to reveal strategies that could make you hundreds of dollars, even without playing the game. Let's dive in. The mining phase has officially ended, and now we've entered the critical, chill phase of X Empire, which runs until October 17th. Think of this as your final opportunity to gear up and position yourself for the token generation event, TGE, on October 24th, the moment when $X tokens will hit major exchanges. But don't get too relaxed during this phase. There's still a lot you need to do to secure the most rewards possible, and I'm about to break it all down for you. First things first, airdrop criteria. This is where many players miss out. It's not just about showing up, it's about optimizing every aspect of your gameplay. One of the most important factors: the quantity and quality of your invited friends. It's not enough to just invite a bunch of people, you need them to actively engage with the game. Are your friends completing quests, connecting their wallets, and staying active? If they're not fully participating, it could severely impact your airdrop rewards. But that's just one part of the equation. Another crucial metric is your profit per hour. That's how many tokens you're earning every hour. The higher this number, the better your overall rewards will be. To boost it, you need to head to the improvement menu and complete specific tasks, like investing in enhancements or fulfilling quests. Sure, it might cost you a little up front, but the long-term gain could be massive when the tokens hit the market. So while the chill phase might sound low-key, it's actually your last chance to maximize your earning potential before the TGE. Now is the time to focus on these critical areas to secure the most out of your X Empire journey. How to boost your profit per hour. If you've been checking your stats and thinking, my profit per hour is way too low, don't panic. You're not alone, unfortunately, there are ways to fix it. The good news is, you have complete control over how much you can earn every hour in X Empire, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to increase that number. First, head over to your earnings section and click on your current profit per hour. This will take you to an improvement menu where you can make some crucial upgrades. In this menu, you'll find a list of tasks designed to help you boost your hourly earnings. Some of these might require an investment of time or even resources, but trust me, it's worth every bit. Think of it as planting a seed now for a bigger harvest later. The better your upgrades and completed tasks, the more tokens you'll accumulate by the time the token generation event, TGE, hits. With tokens expected to list on major exchanges, a higher profit per hour could translate into significantly more money in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Don't overlook the quests. These are another critical part of maximizing your rewards. Scroll down to the quest menu and see how many of them you've completed. Even if they seem small or insignificant, every single quest you finish plays a role in boosting your overall earnings. Each task completed means more tokens for you, and those tokens can make all the difference when the trading begins. By completing these tasks and quests, you'll not only increase your profit per hour but also position yourself as a top contender for the airdrop and other rewards. This is your opportunity to take control and make sure you're getting the most out of X Empire. Don't let it slip away. Get to work on those upgrades and quests, and watch your profits soar. The airdrop secret to success now. Here's where things get really exciting. This is the inside scoop on how to maximize your X Empire airdrop rewards. Let's dive into the secret sauce that separates the casual players from those who will walk away with serious profits. First things first, have you connected your wallet? If not, you're leaving a massive chunk of potential rewards on the table. Connecting your wallet isn't just a checkbox, it's one of the foundational steps that directly impacts how many $X tokens you'll receive during the airdrop. It's simple: if your wallet isn't linked, you're simply not in the game. Head to the Connect Wallet option in the app, and get it done ASAP. But wait, there's so much more you can do to boost your rewards. Transactions. Check. Purchases. Absolutely. Even donations to X Empire count toward increasing your airdrop allocation. Every action you take inside the platform signals your commitment, and X Empire is rewarding those who are all in. The more active you are with in-game purchases and transactions, the more likely you are to earn a bigger slice of that $X token pie when the tokens drop. Oh, and here's a little-known secret: Telegram Premium users get a bonus. If you're one of the lucky ones with Telegram Premium, you're already ahead of the game. It's an easy win that could give you a leg up when the tokens are distributed. But we're just getting warmed up. These are the basics. You'll want to go beyond that if you're really aiming to maximize your rewards. The key here is to focus on multiple angles. Invite quality friends who actively engage, increase your profit per hour, and complete as many quests as you can. The airdrop rewards are based on a combination of factors, and mastering each of these will make sure you walk away with the highest possible allocation. So, if you haven't started connecting your wallet, making transactions, or taking advantage of those extra bonuses, now is the time. The airdrop is coming, and those who put in the work now will be the ones cashing in big when $X tokens hit the exchanges. Tokenomics breakdown, your inside scoop now. This is where things start to heat up. Let me break down the tokenomics of X Empire for you, because understanding this is the key to seeing how big this opportunity really is. There are 690 billion X Empire tokens in total circulation, but here's the catch: 75% of these tokens, that's 517 billion tokens, are reserved for miners, early participants, and the community. That's you. If you've been participating from the beginning, you're in prime position to scoop up a huge chunk of the rewards. Meanwhile, new users, they're only getting 25% of the total supply, which is 172 billion tokens. So, if you've been part of the journey since the early days, you're about to reap some serious benefits. But here's the best part: there's no lockup period for your tokens. That means once the tokens hit your wallet, you're free to sell them immediately. You won't have to wait weeks or months for your assets to unlock like in some other projects. Whether you decide to hold or cash out is entirely up to you. The freedom is in your hands. Now, here's where things get even better. If you've stuck around and are participating in the current chill phase, you're in for a bonus. An additional 5% of the total supply, that's 34 billion tokens, is being distributed to those who are active during this phase. It's like an extra reward just for staying engaged. This chill phase is your last chance to lock in those extra tokens before the TGE hits, so don't sleep on this opportunity. And let's talk about where these tokens are headed. X Empire tokens will be listed on Tier 1 exchanges like OKX and Bybit, some of the biggest and most reputable names in the crypto world. Getting listed on these exchanges is a huge vote of confidence for any token. It means that X Empire is gearing up for major exposure and liquidity, and it's about to become a lot more accessible to traders worldwide. So, if you thought X Empire was just another project flying under the radar, think again. This token is gearing up for a massive launch, and with such strong backing, it's positioned for some serious movement when it hits the market. Now is the time to get ready, because when the TGE happens, things are going to move fast. NFTs and market buzz. X Empire is not just about tokens, it's stepping into the NFT world in a big way, and the market buzz is growing fast. If you've been paying attention to the NFT space, you'll want to keep a close eye on what's happening here. Currently, there are over 51,000 NFT items listed on the GetGems NFT marketplace, one of the more prominent platforms out there. And here's where it gets exciting. The floor price for X Empire NFTs is sitting at 3.7 ton, signaling solid demand. Whether you're an NFT collector or just someone looking to diversify your assets, these NFTs could present a solid opportunity, especially as X Empire continues to grow in popularity. But that's not all. The number of unique owners in X Empire's NFT ecosystem has already skyrocketed to over 250,000. Think about that for a moment. Over 250,000 people have jumped into this project, and it's still early days. With that level of engagement, the potential for future growth and community-driven momentum is enormous. And let's not forget the broader implications of NFTs in X Empire. As the project expands, these NFTs could gain additional utility, whether it's for exclusive in-game perks, governance rights, or something entirely new. NFTs are no longer just digital art. They are becoming integral assets in crypto ecosystems, and X Empire is positioning itself to ride that wave. If you're into NFTs, this is definitely a project worth watching closely. With the combination of a growing user base, solid marketplace traction, and a promising future in the NFT space, X Empire's presence is bound to increase, potentially making its NFTs a hot commodity in the near future. So whether you're already in or thinking about jumping in, the time to act could be now. How to profit without even playing. Here's the secret sauce I promised earlier. You don't have to be glued to your screen farming X Empire to make serious money. If you've followed my previous videos, you already know how this works. My followers made at least $500 when Hamster Combat listed, and they weren't even grinding the game. They analyzed the market sentiment, predicted whether a token would pump or dump, and acted accordingly. I've made a special video that walks you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start profiting like a pro. I'll link that video right here for you. And if you're brand new to trading, no worries. I've got you covered with a beginner's guide to spot trading. Check it out, and start mastering the market today. We're in the final days before the X Empire listing, and the chill phase is your last shot to maximize those rewards. Are you ready to cash in? Because I know I am. Let me know in the comments if you're farming or playing the market, and how much you expect to earn. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and remember, opportunity is knocking. Will you answer? Catch you in the next video.